Words of the day can be tapped out. Okay, remember that? Trick words can't be tapped out, but words of the day can. And the words of the day have the concepts in them that we're learning. For example, we're learning words with blends in them, up to 5 sounds. So, you will see down below in the attachments where the worksheets are, you'll see a sheet that looks like this. And the word of the day is slept. Okay, can you please repeat that word? Slept. Very good. Let's tap it out together. So put your elbows up and let's tap it out. S, ul, e, p, t, slept. So again, we had to come back to our pointer finger because this word has 5 sounds in it. And when we tap, we don't use our thumb. We don't start with the thumb. It's just a resting place for the first tap, for every tap. So this is your first tap with the pointer finger. So it's S, L, E, P, T, slept. Okay? So what does slept mean? Remember when we talk about words of the day, we don't just say them and tap them out and sound them out. We have to know what they mean. So, does anybody know what slept means? I'll give you a moment to think about it. Talk about it with someone at home right now. What does the word slept mean? Where have I heard that word before? Have I seen it anywhere? Have I used that word before? Maybe didn't even realize it. Do I kind of see a word within that word that I know? Slept. Maybe this is like the word sleep. But I remember we were learning in class about present tense and past tense and future tense. Could this be the past tense of the word sleep? I think it is. So let's see if I used it correctly in this sentence. Would you help me, boys and girls? Let's say this together. Ready? I slept very well in my bed. I was going to write last night too. I think I might, because you know why? That even makes more sense for this sentence. So let's just take that little period out there. I'm just going to scribble it, take it out. In my bed last, and this way you get to see me write too. Look how nice I'm forming my letters. Finger space. Nice and slow, starting my letters at the top, bringing them down. Okay, starting at the top, pull down. No pushing letters up, right? We start at the top and go down. Period. Now let's read this sentence again, because now it makes a little more sense too. I slept very well in my bed last night. So this sentence means that I'm awake now. And I'm telling somebody, or even myself, that in the past, last night, I slept very well in my bed. So, I used this form of the word properly. This is past tense of the word sleep. So can we say slept again? Slept. Good. And notice how I marked it up? It's a closed syllable. It has 2 blends, sl and pt, pt. And both blends are separated by a vowel, which of course is short because this is a closed syllable, 1-syllable word. And it has 5 sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what you're going to do on your worksheet, you're going to get a blank one just like that. Okay, and you'll do the same thing. You'll write the word slept. You're going to mark it up, Please remember to use your skyline, plain line, grass line, and worm line letters as a reminder of where to start your letters and where to end them and how to write your letters properly. And then you're going to write your own sentence with the word of the day. So you can make one very similar to mine if you'd like, or you could even use the same one if you'd like. But I'd like you to try to do one of your own if you could, with some help maybe from your family, okay? And if you really can think of one, you could use mine. But just make sure that you mark it up here and here, okay? You don't have to mark up anything else in this sentence, just that. So you'll have that, and then you're also going to have one other thing to do. Whoops, I just lost the word slept.